Here's the garden in its full winter glory. Strawberries got pretty well eaten by the deer. That's where I planted the garlic. These ones are not doing too bad. Although I'm concerned about the bulbs because there's moles all in there. So last night I got to finally relax and watch a show and then sleep in this morning. It doesn't happen very often, so that was nice. I'll get to that part of the video now. Hi guys, another week has passed. I just got done with work, eating some food here. Got some brown rice noodles, burger patty, and some greens. And then gonna be ordering seeds tonight. I went through the seeds the other day and I have about 3/4 of what I need, but I was gonna order some from these guys. In the past I've ordered from Michigan Gardener, MI Gardener. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm gonna put up my feet and watch. Let me get it. Okay, it's Chef's Life. We used to live in North Carolina, and I used to work in a restaurant, so this is like my favorite show of all time, and it's kind of like just the life story of a chef and her family in their town. So, and they go and explore all the local foods and learn about them. So anyway, if you're looking for a new show, it's like a PBS. Anyway, that's what I'm doing this weekend, and hopefully the seeds aren't out. I guess I'll do that and pop in at the end and say see you later.
Green onions, scallions, whatever you want to call them, are the first sign of a new season. The very first green indicator of all the good stuff to come. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm Vivian, and I'm a chef. I wish you'd see yourself as beautiful as I see. Why can't you see yourself as beautiful as I see you? So this is my life.
So I was going through the seeds here, and I noticed if you go through, you can get some of them. You can get not much more seeds. Well, this is a big difference, but some of them have like hundreds more seeds for only $1 or $2 more. So I think I saw that with like the carrot. Yeah, so it's kind of worth it to look into that. I think this is my final, what we're gonna do. I can't eat pumpkin, so I'm getting squash that looks like a pumpkin. I've had these Carmen from a farm before, and also the red Russian kale. I really love that. And then some flowers. And the spinach made a huge difference too. You get a packet of 50, or for $2 more you get 5,000. I would like to grow a lot of spinach, so anyway, that's what we're doing. So we barely got the seeds ordered. She's really tired, so we're gonna call it a night. We'll see you next week. Bye.